So it's kind of interesting. I come from a family that's had heart problems. My dad had a few open heart surgeries. He had some major heart problems. And when you have heart problems, well, I guess, back in the 70s, they get you a book on the heart so you can read all about your heart, what to do and what not to do. And then as things change and I got older and I had heart problems, I got the book too. So my dad had a book and his got wet in the hospital. I think they spilled some drink on it or blood on it or, whatever it may be. So I got a new one. So I've got the heart book too. So my dad and I both went through heart problems. He had open heart surgery. He died of an aortic, I can't even talk, an aortic dissection, and I've had three aortic dissections. So we read the book on the heart and we find out what we should and we shouldn't do. So this is the heart book, and we keep that with us. Thanks, Dad. I appreciate it. Stay safe. Freddie's Press.